How to drop shop with TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, today I want to discuss the current major opportunity in e-commerce, which I find it to be revolutionary as Facebook ads were in 2017, which is TikTok Shop. I am Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today I'm going to teach you on how can you sell products online and earn from it. Whether you're dealing with digital or physical products, TikTok Shop is guaranteed to increase your earnings. In this video, I'll provide a comprehensive overview of what TikTok Shop is and why should you use it and exactly how to get started. But before that, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button so that I can reach more people on this platform. TikTok Shop is the latest addition to TikTok's platform. Instead of the traditional method of redirecting viewers to the landing page to make a purchase, TikTok now allows users to buy products directly within the app. This eliminates the usual friction associated with purchasing products advertised on social media. There are 4 primary ways to utilize this feature. First one is live shopping videos. Viewers can now buy products directly from TikTok live stream, which is more suitable for creators and affiliates who have the time to go live and promote a product to their audience. The second is shoppable videos. Products are integrated directly into the videos, allowing users to purchase products instantly by clicking on tagged items. And then there is shop page. TikTok has embedded a shop page directly into the user accounts, allowing easy browsing of different products. Another is shopping tab. TikTok has created a dedicated shopping tab where users can browse various types of products. And the benefits of using TikTok Shop are outstanding and likely to improve over time. The primary advantage is the removal of the friction in the buying process. Customers can impulsively buy products without leaving the app, allowing more effective impulse purchasing. This also frees you from the need to create complex funnels or landing pages, giving you more time to focus on product selection and creating compelling ad content. One of the significant advantages of the TikTok Shop is the built-in affiliate network. Creators can request free products and start promoting them. You can also invite influencers to promote your products and TikTok handles all affiliated payouts, eliminating the need for a dedicated team to manage this. Before diving into the TikTok Shop, it's essential to understand some vital details such as the fulfillment process. Your store's health score is crucial as excessive disputes and refunds can lead to account suspension. It's vital to ensure a reliable supplier to avoid issues with product quality and delivery times. Handling refunds is also important, and TikTok imposes fees for using its shop option. However, there are incentives in place to encourage businesses to join the platform, such as discounted shipping and product incentives. Setting up a TikTok shop is currently available in specific countries. Once approved, you'll gain access to the TikTok Shop Hub, where you can manage orders, products, marketing, affiliates, live and video analytics, growth suggestions, and financial details. In conclusion, TikTok Shop presents a significant opportunity for e-commerce. And if you're interested in more resources to fast track your e-commerce journey, you can join various tools and programs that are linked to the TikTok by various creators. So this is basically how you can dropship with TikTok Shop. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.